Unboxing Michelle's 10 premium lucky boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Electric Purple Silk Mini Birkin Bag. Get one more bag. Black Mini CC Bag. Dusty Pink and Gray Mini CC Bag. Get one more chain and one more bag. Pastel Lavender Mini CC Bag. Get one more chain and one more bag. Green Mini Snake Bag. Glitter Pink Mini Lulu Bag. Get two more chains. Sky Blue Mini Eve Bucket Bag. Get one more charm and one more chain. Kitty Printed Mini Birkin Bag. Get one more charm and one more chain. Pink Sakura Print Mini Speedy. Get two more charms. Round Pink Quilted Mini Eve Bag. Get one more charm and one more bag. Combine 3 parts into a well-matching set. 3 into 1 again. 3 into 1 again. 3 into 1 again. Pink and Gold Mini CC Bag. Get one more bag. Black Mini Eve Bag. Brown Mini Lulu Bag. Fluffy Mini Saddle Bag. Three into one again. Iridescent Snakeskin Mini CC Handle Bag. Silver Ghost Chain. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video and the products.